Namaste, welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the 10th lesson, pronouns. So, what is pronoun? Pronoun are the words used instead of nouns. That is pronoun. Okay. I, me, you, it, he, she, him, her, we, us, they, them, all are the example for pronouns. Okay. Next comes to personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? Pronouns that are used instead of names of a person and things are called personal pronoun. Okay. So personal pronoun there are three kinds. What are they? First person pronoun, second person pronoun, third person pronoun. Okay. So first person pronoun, second person pronoun, third person pronoun. What is first person pronoun? I, we. Okay. And what is second person? You. What is third? He, she, it. Okay. So, pronoun that stands for the speaker. These are the first person pronoun. So, it talks about the speaker. I, we, me, us. So, me and I are singular and we and us are used in plural form. Okay. I am a student. We like swimming. Give the book to me. So it always talks about the speaker. Okay. That is the first person. Next comes to second person. Second person means the pronoun you, which stands for the person spoken to or person for the listener. So, you are a good student. So, I am talking about a person, you are a listener. So, it always, second person always stands for the listener. Okay, you. And you is always used for singular also and it is used in plural also. There is no changes. Okay, in a plural form you use you only. There is no changes in the second person. Okay. Next comes to third person pronoun. What is third person? The pronoun stands for the people other than the speaker. So, he, she, it are the third person pronouns. It talks about other persons or other things, not the speaker himself. Okay. For example, she is a good student. Okay. She is a third person. Okay. I am a good student. This is a first person because it talks about a I. I means it talks about a person himself. Okay. Speaker himself. You are a good student. A speaker talks something to somebody. Okay. That is second person. It is not comes to the speaker himself. And what is third person? She is a good student. Means the speaker means the pronoun stands for others, not speaker. Okay. So here they give first person I, me, changes as we, us. Second person you, it never changes. Third person he, she, it, him, her, they, them. Okay, understood? This is about a personal pronoun. Okay, let's see the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the given pronouns. We have to fill in the blanks. The doctor came to see my grandmother today. Dash is not well. So, grandmother. So, this sentence speaks about a grandmother, right? So, grandmother, it turns to third person. What's the third person for grandmother? She. Okay? She is not well. Donnie went home early today. Dash has a test tomorrow. Donnie. The sentence talks about a person. So it turns to third person. What is third person of Donnie? He has test tomorrow. Sonia and Lena are on the same badminton team. Dash go for matches together. Sonia and Meena. So these are in the plural. So it when it converts plural, they. Jane, do Dash know who the man in the white shirt is? So we are asking a question to someone. So we are asking a question to second person. What is the answer for second person? You. Okay. Ronnie and I go to the same school. Dash take the same bus to school. Ronnie and I. It comes to we. So I, the plural form of I is we. Dash am studying now. Please call later. I am. Understood? Next. Rewrite the paragraph using personal pronouns. Ramu was a simple villager. But Ramu always dreamt of becoming rich. So, but he always dreamt of becoming rich. Ramu didn't like to work in the fields. One day, Ramu heard some people talking about a diamond hidden in the forest. He heard some people talking about a diamond hidden in the forest. Ramu went to the forest to take the diamond from the place where the people had hidden the diamond. He went to the forest to take it from the place where they had hidden the diamond. Ramu looked and looked, but Ramu could not find the diamond. He looked and looked, but he could not find it. Ramu dug everywhere, but Ramu still could not find the diamond. He dug everywhere, but he still could not find it. Understood? Next, fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. This bouquet of flowers belongs to dash. Belongs to me. We can't say belongs to I. Okay. Give the gift to dash. Give the gift to her. I have made a colorful card for dash. For him. Sana and Dash are going to the market. Dash want to buy some chart paper. Sana and I are going to the market. We want to buy some. Dash are going to Goa for a week. They. Dash is the best friend that I have. She. Pritham asked his parents to buy Dash a toy. Him. Pamela and Simran got the prize for the best team. Dash worked hard to win the competition. They. Understood? Next comes to possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun is it talks about the ownership of the it talks about the ownership or possession. Mine, ours, yours, theirs, his, hers. All comes under the possessive pronoun. Okay. Look at the underlined words in the sentences. Then fill in the blanks with the correct possessive pronouns. Did you lose your notebook? Is this yours? My mother bought me a new doll. The doll is mine. I saw Mr. and Mrs. Singh sitting in the red car. The car is theirs. Theirs. Kanti plays cricket with us. Kanti plays cricket with us. This bat is his. Sunita was writing with a red pencil in the morning. This pencil is hers. Our teacher gave us these books. Ours. Ravi and Ratul, are these your watches? If they are, dash, please come and take them. If they are yours. The king asked the queen, is the letter yours? Rahul collects coins. The coins on the table are his. The cycling club gave us new bicycles. Those bicycles are hours. Next, rewrite the questions using pronouns instead of the underlined words. Why is Mita laughing? Why is she laughing? Where are Kirti and Rama playing? Where are they playing? Can you help me search for my dog? Can you help me search for it, for my bag, for it? Where is Mrs. Roy? Where is she? Can you show your homework to your father? Can you show it to your father? Does this dress belong to Rano? Does it belong to her? How did Aman get hurt? How did he get hurt? Whose pet is Tommy? Whose pet is it? Understood? This is about the pronoun. Tomorrow we will see the lesson 11 articles. Okay? Thank you.